Hello, and today I will be talking about the PBL I decided to choose, which is cyberbullying awareness and basically becoming a digital upstander. So I'm going to be discussing what my research question is, the learning goals and what I expect the kids to take away, the assignments that I will be ensuring the kids complete, and a brief overview of the project. So basically, my PBL is wanting the kids to research cyberbullying, its impact, and response strategies, considering the school's policies and education towards and revolving around cyberbullying. They will then design and implement a social media campaign to promote a safe digital environment. The research question. So, my research question for them is, how can we as digital citizens create a school-wide campaign to help our community prevent and respond to cyberbullying? And it's valuable, and what I want my students to be able to take away is experiencing social emotional learning by developing their empathy and how to responsibly use technology. And it's important through PBLs that they're hands-on and they can easily understand by going through the motions rather than lecture-based. Learning goals. So they should be able to define bullying, identify, so being able to recognize cyberbullying, prevent cyberbullying by being able to see signs, and then respond, so how to react in those situations, and becoming an upstander, so taking action for someone who is being bullied, being the middleman basically, and coming in between the bully and the person being bullied. Assignments. So based on just an individual aspect, I want students to do on their own. I want them to do their own research so that they have their own ideas and how they view and their perspective of cyberbullying, and then obviously they can share their notes, but I want them to be able to research it on their own. Then a digital citizen pledge, so basically from their notes, identify what a digital citizen is and their responsibility, and make an oath to be a responsible digital citizen. Third, peer evaluation, so they will be working in groups, and so it's only fair that they are able to evaluate how helpful their partner was, and basically just provide feedback and how well group assignments work with certain students, and then a reflection for them to basically compile all their ideas and their takeaways from the assignment. For the group aspect, they will create either a PSA video, infographics, or a slideshow presentation, and they'll cover every aspect of like identifying and prevention and stuff like that. Overview. So this is the possible schedule. So basically days 1 through 5, I'll be introducing the lesson. They'll create their teams. Not sure if it should be like drawing sticks to create teams or how well the students know each other. So depends on the classroom environment for the team aspect, and then they'll do their individual research. Then they'll decide the format, so either the video, infographic, or slideshow presentation, and then I'll have a guest speaker come in. I do expect these students to be at the 5th or 6th grade level. Then days 6 through 10, we'll have cyberbullying role play to actually grasp scenarios, and then identify the importance of the topic, and then have group work time. Days 11 through 15, continuation of that group work time. They'll be kind of coming to the conclusion, so they'll be completing their peer evals, and then they'll have a few days where they present and go class to class on their campaigns, and the infographics that some groups do make will be hopefully made into posters and put around the school. And then days 16 through 20, they'll complete their reflection and possibly a little buffer time or extensions for students that need it. And thank you.